Who are the triers of fact? Or put it another way, who are the fact finders in your particular case? You want to know the answer? Come join me as I share with you this great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law here in the state of New York. So now, when your case gets to trial, who actually determines who's right and who's wrong? Who determines whether we are more likely right than wrong? The answer is the jury. In a car accident case, in a medical malpractice case, in a wrongful death case that goes in front of a jury, we're going to have 6 people of the community as well as 2 or 3 alternate members of the jury deciding what the facts really were. Remember, there's a dispute here. You believe that a doctor did something wrong, that he violated the basic standards of medical care. Or in a car accident case, we believe that somebody violated the rules of the road. And now, as a result of those violations, now you suffered significant injury. So who really determines who's correct, who's not correct? The answer is the jury makes that decision. The jury is 6 people in the community who determine that they can be fair and unbiased, starting out at the very beginning of the case, and now listen to all the testimony that comes in. They are the ones to determine who's telling the truth, who's not telling the truth. At the end of the case, the judge who's supervising the trial judge, is going to be giving the jury instructions, legal instructions, on what they must do if they find that we are more likely right than wrong. And the judge will give them a whole series of legal instructions on what to do. The judge is the one who gives them the law. But the jury is the one who determines, hey, have we shown that we are more likely right than wrong? If so, then now we are justified to get a verdict in our favor. So why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you to give you an insight and an understanding to what goes on in an accident case, in a civil lawsuit, in a medical malpractice case, and even in a wrongful death case. You know, I realize you're watching this because you likely have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter did happen here in New York and you do have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, this is something I do every single day and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's quick video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.